The honourable member for Edmonton-Ellerslie, followed by the honourable member for Calgary-Buffalo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. On October 20th, I attended an information session put on by TERA, Centre for Pregnant Teens, helping teenage mothers to complete high school, and I must say they're doing a wonderful job. So my questions are to the Minister of Education. What steps is your ministry taking to help these young women complete high school?
The honourable minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there are a number of programs across the province, one of which includes the TERA Centre, for example, that work in partnership with school boards. In this case, TERA works in partnership with the Edmonton Public School Boards to support teen mums in achieving their academic success, to getting their high school completion. The partnership between TERA and Braemar School helps the students achieve their potential, both as students and as parents. Many of the Alberta school jurisdictions have developed programs that support pregnant and parenting teens to complete their education, and it's a very, very vital part of making sure that every Alberta youth, regardless of what their circumstance, has the opportunity to achieve their potential.
The honourable member.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. To the same minister, given that vulnerable students are the most at risk of not completing high school, what initiatives are your ministry taking to help other high-risk and vulnerable students to complete their high school diploma?
The honourable minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, there are many reasons why students don't finish high school, and there's no one single answer to that. But in the spring of 2009, we did launch the High School Completion Strategic Framework, which outlined strategies including personalized learning, successful transitions, collaborative partnerships, positive connections, and tracking progress. We have the Alberta Mentoring Partnership. We have a province-wide wraparound research project. We have a provincial protocol framework for success in school for children and youth in care, jointly with the Children and Youth Services. We have the Children's Mental Health Capacity Building Project, jointly with Health, funded out of the the former Mental Health Board, Aboriginal Parent and Community Engagement. So there's a number of projects across the province, and I think it's fair to say that that's one of our highest priorities, making sure that every child can get an education.
The honourable member.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. My final supplement to the same minister. In recent years, the province's high school completion rate has flatlined. What is Minister doing to improve the rate and ensure that provinces graduating students that are capable and ready to contribute to the workforce or to the post-secondary institutions?
The honourable minister.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Actually, from the years 2004 to 2007, the five-year high school completion rate has increased steadily and now remains at a constant 79%. So we actually, over the five-year term, have had good growth in that. Still not good enough. A lot more needs to be done. As I said, we launched the High School Completion Framework at the beginning of this year. Initiatives associated with the framework were either at the research stage, the pilot stage, or the first years of development. Currently, departmental staff are meeting with school jurisdictions to help them understand the High School Completion Framework and get their advice on best practices around the province that can be shared among jurisdictions.